Good morning, vlog. Well, another day, another vlog. The vlog is start off weird because we at the park. I want y'all to say hi to my pet raccoon, you know. Let me show you. He's friendly, he's not bad. Look. Should have some food for feed her. Don't run me down, you know. Me not in a way, you know. Don't run me down. Come here. Come here. So, as you see, we're there at park right now, but for putting no morning run and thing. My girl right there in front of me. And we are doing for vlog. Come on.
A raccoon whisperer.
I'm the raccoon whisperer. Come here. See her in my shoes. In my shoes. Her foot big like for me.
No, it's not.
Stop lie, bro.
That's why you gotta tie it.
Check me back if the raccoon not coming.
I will. I don't want it next to me. Stop. You play too much.
Starting of the year, everybody want to go to gym in a starting a month. You see me?
New routines.
It's a regular thing for people just want to work out the first of each year, you know? I'm a thing, because look over here, so all the people in my work out too. It's just natural. So we're going to get our run in, cardios, you know? And then we go cook some breakfast and thing. So I'm going to stay tuned. We'll do it for you vlog. The day go by fast. As you can see, it's evening now. It's dark, window lock. But it's evening now. You see the song when we drop in the other vlog? My sister, you fuck with that song there, you see me? I think I'm going to call that song the 2023. Hopefully I can drop it this week or come with the video. Hopefully. I'm going to try to work on that right now. You see me? As we speak, the song will get mixed. And I have a couple songs we have a drop throughout the month. You know? I take 1 month to promote each song when I go drop every month for that year. You see me? And yes, I know I make a mistake in the last vlog and say the first year of that month here or some shit. You see one on I make joke or fight and attack me night. I know what I was doing, a joke. Me dey tired, so me chat fuck you when me tired. Right now I'm about to run up on the road real quick and me carry you with me, you see me? Cause we are doing the everyday vlog thing right now, you see me? My girl there at work, she a forward back late because she had do overtime and thing. Now me go chill with a couple of my friends, depending on who I go chill with, until a time when she ready for forward home. Me a plan one video shoot, so me a try to work out the schedule for the people that want me get. Me a try to work out the schedule of when them free so me can shoot. Trust me, me dead ass one drop one project for you. I know me have a problem. You see, you want to work with other people, me have to work with other people time. So me have to make you know them something. So I know me, I will up not posting or not shooting movies soon. I want to shoot movie every day. I wish me have a couple people right now where live in another house here, where I could have wake up a morning time and be like, hey, go shoot this. You know? But that's not possible. So, only just look out. Whenever we can set the date for shoot, obviously you're not going to know. I will go video it and everything at the vlog and thing. More shoot like a comedy video as I said before. I kind of used to do them by myself, but more do them with other people, like incorporate it with people where I do comedy or never do comedy before. I think that would have dope, you know? But I still have to do the video them by myself for me and talk to myself face to face and everything. You can go check them up on my Instagram. My Instagram the right so. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can go follow me right now. And what is my for tell you? I just work on a movie and a short film for you. I can't tell you too much until I start it, you see me? But just know, I get a couple people to shoot with for when I post and say it in the YouTube video, so I look people. I get them. Now, I have to work out a schedule where everybody time free. Because I know nobody tell me, oh, they have to work today. Or, oh, I have to do this. I want to know when everybody work free. So I can bring everybody together and we shoot this shit. You see me? I want to get the finished product. So, you just go and stay tuned. As I said before, we're going to go out on the road real quick and forward back. I'm not going to cook today. I have a whole heap of food from yesterday. Yesterday, stew chicken when I cook. Bad. Some left back. Probably just cook some yellow rice. Anything me I go do now, I know, cause so we are doing. So vlog girl, what I go and reach a savage. My girlfriend I call me, hold on. Hello?
Hey.
You just all left work? Damn, me and Whitey.
Yeah. Where are you?
Over savage.
Are you leaving soon?
Yeah. You on the vlog.
Huh?
You on the vlog.
Oh, they can
Yeah, then can hear you. Savage in that place. Huh?
okay. Anyway, so should I go or are you gonna go home soon?
Yeah, I'm about to go home because I have to fix up something on the song real quick. So I'm soon left your son. Yeah, go home. You can go home.
Alright.
Right.
Later.
So vlog girl, we've been reach a savage and we are chill all the vibes and thing, you see me?
We there.
I'm a thing.
Not a vlog.
Yeah, but we are trying to do everyday thing. Him have weights and him exercise, dog. And you here, you know. Yo, I'm paying up, me not lie. I'm paying up, alright? Me I see camera try to lift up that.
Tomorrow I try to see if we can get the bricks for you.
Oh, yeah. Vlog girl, we are going to do a changing for my truck tomorrow. Savage are going to help me take off the brakes. We're going to change the brake spot because it starts squeak. So, tomorrow, we're going to go to a place and make a link and move. Savage have them rims and I want him put them on back on film truck too. Do it tomorrow too.
We'll talk about that.
Yeah, every time man put on them and man crack the rim or something.
I have bad luck with them, man.
Yo, them look good for the car though. I'm not like. From seeing them car, they want to see in our last vlog. Make more up my rim game soon. Me have to get my money right soon. But we there all have vibes. So forward back. You want to say something?
No, man, I hate that. Tomorrow they will see the work, so we are deal with it.
Yeah, man, I'm one thing.
Hello.
Hello. Who in here?
Hello, stranger.
Who in here?
What are you doing?
You look frightened a while ago. I can never expect me. We show quick.
No, you took long.
Where in here though?
Nothing.
You play yourself.
Don't you dare. Don't.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was good.
It was good. You see I get fat.
Not really.
Face almost show, you know. You're going like your face
You look
show.
like you did a facial.
Me?
Yeah.
You look like me do a facial? You know, when you see in the mirror, you know. For real? Face look good.
Yeah.
I go and grow up my beard, you know. I try to look nice. So, tonight, guys, we're going to eat brown stew and yellow rice. Brown
Who said
stew,
that?
chicken and yellow. What did it? What did it? Jerk chicken, curry goat.
Curry chicken, macaroni and cheese.
She can't cook too, so I don't know what I feel like she can't cook. She can't cook. So I'm about to eat that. She go prepare the meal, right? Because you have to go sort out them, make them like 2 plates. She go do that, and I have it and I couldn't see. I don't know if it's going to look presentable enough. You look like a worm. You gonna do it now? That a for me. That a for me. Huh? What? I'm doing food.
Nothing.
Go and share the food. I'm kind of hungry right now still, you know. You gonna do it? I'm still like Africa. I gonna do it?
Yeah.
Oh, you have something to tell me?
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we're eating tonight. Mashed potato, food from yesterday, and food from yesterday, and some plantain.
No, don't put that in there.
No, sorry, catch.
Yeah.
Can't make the world and see your bosom. Go look at the little juggles there. They're not big enough. But vlog girl, me there mash up that food, yeah. Me go call it a night right now. Hopefully me have 8 minutes. Bless up on yourself. I don't know some longer vlog, but obviously when me I do more things like I shoot content or other activities that go on, I go have longer vlog. But this is my everyday life and every day I go lit, as I said before. Happy 2023. And me I work on the song, as I say. I'm gonna mix it. I think I'm gonna mix a version. I do my version of mixing. And check out my Instagram and mother up on self. You wanna say something to them?
Happy New Year.
Oh, she's saying Happy New Year. So mother up on self and big up on herself. See Pepper there. And thing.